Oh, g'day guys, Mark from Waikato Sheds here. I've just been installing this PA door, which is one of the jobs you'll have to do if you buy a kit set and install it yourself. What you're going to need is your trusty Makita impact driver to screw that on, also to attach all your wall sheets and flashings. This tool's going to do a lot of the job for you. Of course, you got to make sure it's all level, so you get your level out and keep that all leveled up. So with the PA door, we've laid our tin and then cut in an opening in the tin with our electric shears and just cut up that, installed our door in, and then slipped in these little flashings you'll get that just sit under the door and screw into the side of the tin there. Head flashing on top, and that just stops any water coming in, just all runs away and away from the building. So one of the jobs you'll do, it's the same sort of setup with the side flashings and a head flashing on a big roller door and on windows or anything like that that you may put in at the time or later on. So beautiful, make sure it opens, make sure it closes, essential. So these are just a few of the tools. Watch along on some other videos and we'll show you a few other little details, things you're going to need to know. Excellent. Thanks guys.